Mga practical ano tayo, role play. Guiding passenger. So unang-una yung effective communication. Si-simulate lang natin.
Good morning, everyone. I am your master station leader. Can I have your attention, please? Good morning, everyone. Can I have your attention, please? This is your master station leader. I'm Kevin. For now, we will conducting mastering. Please listen to me as I call your cabin number. Can you acknowledge, please?
Good morning, everyone. I am Gian, your master station leader. We will be conducting mastering as I call your Good morning, everyone. May I have your attention, please? I am Gian, your master station leader, and we will be conducting mastering. So if
As I call your cabin number.
as I call your cabin number, please acknowledge. First with the cabin number 6234.
Present.
Okay, thank you. Next, 7285.
Good morning, everyone. May I have your attention, please? And by the way, my name is Leonid Hanyola.
I am. Diretso na. Walang paligoy-ligoy. Okay. Sige. Continue.
Good morning, everyone.
Sige lang. Sige. Umpisa.
Good morning, everyone.
May I
May
have?
I have your attention, please? I am Leonid Hanyola. I am your master leader. And
Master station leader. Ulit. Take two.
Good morning, everyone. Can I attention? Good morning, everyone. May I have your attention, please? And my name is Leonid Hanyola, master leader, and I'm conducting mastering. And I call your cabin number. Please acknowledge.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. May I have your attention, please? I am Joel Barangel. I'm your master station leader. From now on,
From now on, we will conduct a mastering. Please listen carefully.
Please listen carefully.
Then,
Then,
as I call your
cabin number, please acknowledge.
magtawag ka ng cabin number.
Cabin number 8190.
Present.
Cabin number 7856.
Present.
Good morning. First time of Master Station 1. Master Station 1, that way please. Just follow that station number 1. Thank you. Hi sir, good morning. What's the...
Hindi, ituturo mo na papunta doon.
Diretso na. Diretso ka na. Hindi ka na
Hindi, diretso ka na. Yan, may sign na yun doon. O may arrow man.
Straight ahead.
This is Master Station.
Thank you. Ikaw gagano ka lang.